The reason so many marketing strategies for restoration companies feel outdated is because the people presenting them haven't experienced what it's actually like to be in that position. They're not coming from a point of view where they've had success with these techniques, which means their advice won't work and can often come off as sounding really unhelpful or even silly, especially when you consider how much time we all have on our hands. Who doesn't want to work for a company that gets more clients? Candy jars and golf sponsorships might seem like a good idea at first, but if you're not getting any new business, then it's just wasting time. Marketing your restoration services is all about having an effective strategy in place. You can focus on Google Ads and offer a free estimate and create a lead form and add their contact details on your CRM. This will allow potential customers' contact information on file. So when someone finds themselves faced with needing repairs after floods, fire events, there won't be anything holding up service completion because some employee was too busy playing games online instead. Marketing can be difficult when you are trying to get someone's attention. One way that I have found successful in the past is by providing value first and foremost, rather than asking for something from them right off the bat. When marketing plumbers or any other service provider, like electricians, it's important not only what you're offering, but also how much better than competitors you make us look with every customer we bring onto our list. I think insurance agents want customer loyalty before any other goal. Property managers want fast, inexpensive service, and plumbers want more work. So how can you give what they and all your referral sources really want? If your strategy for growing your business includes third-party administrators, insurance companies, and similar marketing targets, you really need to figure out what they want you to be able to give away. If you're looking to market your restoration company, we can help. Our team of experts are available for free consultations to help you get started. We'll work with you to create a plan that targets your local community and helps you stand out from the competition. Contact us today to book your consultation.